Okay, my friend, welcome back to my new video. How to make 50 to $100 every single day to your PayPal account. I make this video, guys, because I am getting a lot of emails how to get free PayPal cash, how to make money online. So I decide to make this video one more time so you will see how exactly I am getting free PayPal cash every single day. With this method, you can make 50 to 100, even more $100 every single day. All you have to do is take action, don't delay. Okay, so let's start. First, you can see this website, bong.com. You can found a free product that you can download for free and sell this product. Okay, it's so easy. All you have to do is visit this website, go and found search for a good product and download, and you have see this is the product, this is the ebook, and you have some text here. Okay, you don't have to work hard. Okay, all you have to do is download this product and copy this text, and then you have to make around this product a landing page. Don't worry about the landing page. If you don't have a host or a domain, I will show you another method that you can use for free without invest nothing. Okay, uh, but first I want to show you how to make your landing page, how to make it a very catchy landing page. So I will show you some of examples of a landing page that you maybe you will get the idea what is a very convert and catchy landing page. Okay, so I will show you some examples. This one of a landing page, very catchy, like you see. This is also, and this landing page that you can see, and more landing page. Okay, this is for examples. This is a very convert and very catchy landing pages. Okay, and this and this very beautiful landing page, and this landing page that you can see a very nice title, and this landing page and this. Okay, the best landing page that you can use is using a video and a title, very catchy title in your landing page. This is a very convert landing page. Okay, so if you want to use, if you have a host and a domain and want to use a very convert landing page, so you need something look beautiful like this. You need a good title in the top, and you need a video proof. Okay, a video explainer your product. This is a very convert landing page. Okay, so let's close all these landing pages right now. Now, like I said, if you don't have a host and if you don't have a domain, so all you have to do after you download your product from bong.com, you can upload your product to payhip.com or selfie.com. For example, I will show you my product on payhip. So let's log in, and you can see this is my product, and you can see here my sales. Okay, this is free. Okay, this is free cash. All you have to do is upload. Here you can see add new product. Just upload your product, put a image, good image, and some text. Okay, set up a category, and if this video or ebook, okay, choose your price. You can make any price you want. Okay, and that's it. All you have to do is upload your products to a payhip or selfie and promote your product. Let's go to my dashboard. Let's say this is my product, one of my product. You can click here, view. You will get this page, okay, very convert page and some text, okay. This is a free text, okay. You can get from here. Remember, okay. You can get this text from here, and all you have to do is promote your link, okay. Take your link from the URL and promote this page. Okay, so how to promote this page? I want to show you different ways that you can promote your page using free traffic and paid traffic. Okay, so let's start with paid traffic. Let's close first all these windows. Okay, so how to use free traffic first? Okay, there's a different ways. Okay, so first you can go to a free ad board. Okay, free ad board.com. You can log in. Okay, make your account for free, and all you have to do, put your text here and then your link. Okay, so this is my link. Okay, and type something catchy. Okay, you need something catchy, and click submit. Okay, this is one way. This is a free traffic, and you can see there's a lot of product here, and you can put your product to and promote for free. Okay, traffic source number 2, free traffic, US largest this website. You can put your banner here, and you can go to credit mailer and send your link. You have to put your link here. This is your link, my link in this case. I have some credit here, and you have to put a good title and click send. Okay, so then you will get a free traffic to your page, and of course if your page is a convert, you will get sales. But don't forget, you have to do this every day, every single day. You have to send your link every single day. maybe you will not get a result in the first day or a second day. Don't give up. You have to test and test and test, and you have to send your link all the time. Okay, that was a free traffic. Now I will show you another way that you can send traffic and get a fast rank in Google, so people will find you when they search on Google. Okay, this is very important to get traffic from Google to your landing page, but first you have to rank your link. So how to rank your link fast? Uh, all you have to do is just copy your link from your browser and go to Turbo website Trafic. You will find this page. Okay, you will find this page. Then all you have to do is go to advertising. Okay, and you will get this page. Okay, so all you have to do is put your name, your email, and your URL. Okay, this is the URL from Payhip or Selfie. Choose your package and read and accept the terms of use and order now. Okay, very important to get traffic all the time to your link, so you will get more traffic and you will get a fast rank in Google. So you will get a traffic from Google for free. Okay, forever. Okay, you can get forever traffic from Google and make a cash daily. Okay, so very important. You have to upload a product to Payhip. You have a lot of product, so upload so many product. Okay, I know this is will take time, but this is very nice to do, and after you earning some bucks from this method, I think you will be very happy to doing this. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. I will upload every single day videos so you can learn more and more method how to make money online and how to succeed with internet marketing. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.